Okay, I'm slowly getting them drug out. I have the 8-foot piece and 2 12s over there. I'm fixing to put them on the deck. This piece here is 20 foot, and it's 25 here, and actually I think it's 25 on the other end because I checked it. This is getting up there where those first, they were dead. This is getting up there where those first limbs were. And when I say dead, I mean the whole tree was dead. Okay, I'm 25 here, right at 24 and a half. A lot of times when you pull them out like that, you pull the bark off, which is always nice. These here, it's not quite dead enough to pull the bark off. But by the time I roll them around and all up there on that mill with that front end loader, it'll probably, a lot of that bark will probably come off, which will help. This here, for the most part, I'm going to use this for inside, in the inside walls. That's going to look neat with all those knots and all like that. And I still have 12 more feet. You can see I'm 20, what was it, 25, 24, let's say 24 there. I still have 12 more feet over there of good tree. Now it has a few limbs, but not many. It has fewer limbs than that. For some reason, it went through a spell there where it didn't have any. But I still have 12 more feet. Here I'm 25. It was 25. It looked to me from the ground, it looked all the way up. I don't remember what I said I thought it was. I probably said I thought it was bigger than 25, but I'll get this one on. This will be the 2x4s here, and I'll get them all on the deck today, but it'll be a while before I have time to deal with them. That should be every single 2x4. That's a 12-foot one. So as far as like 2x6s, 2x4s, anything 12 foot, that should handle it. And then I had the other 12-foot one there. So that's 32 foot right here, and then 20 foot behind the tractor. So, and there's still more back there. There's 12 more feet at least. So I'll get that maybe tomorrow.